Hey guys, I am back with a head wrap tutorial. My company Melanin Haircare just dropped our new multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, as well as some signature head wraps. We have our stretch satin head wrap in logo and sunset, as well as our new better than cotton head wrap in blue wave. All three of these are beautiful, and of course I wanted to come in, do a tutorial, show you guys how to wrap these head wraps. They're pretty standard. You can wrap them just like normal head wraps, but just in case you need a little extra help, I am here for you, girl. I got you. Let's start with the classic bun. So all of our head wraps have our little tag on the inside that says Melanin Haircare, the original stretch satin head wrap. Woo! You're gonna wanna find that and you're gonna wanna put that on the inside. And I mean, unless you wanted to show, then I mean, that's cool. By all means, do your thing. So with the tag facing on the inside, you're just gonna throw it over your head, gather it at the front like so, making sure that this middle part is coming down, and then you're going to make a knot right in the middle. I like to add a little bit of a knob up here so I can get more stability so my bun doesn't like move around. So I'm just gonna tie it one more time. And now we have like a nice little base to wrap our bun. So you can do the bun two different ways. You can do one leg at a time, taking one of the legs and just wrapping it around. And then tuck it on the inside. And then repeat with the other one. And you'll get kind of like a Cinnabon type of look. So cute. So this is like a cinnamon bun, or you can put the two legs together and wrap them together. Take one leg and put it inside the other. This is gonna give you like a more solid bun rather than that Cinnabon look. It's a little bit more perky. A super easy classic bun. And this is what it will look like in the stretch satin head wrap in sunset, and the better than cotton head wrap in blue wave. Yo, I'm feeling this head wrap. Can you not tell? Like, I don't even want to take it off. It's like, oh my God. Okay, so the next head wrap we're gonna do is another classic, the bow. And I showed how to do this in my how to tie a square head wrap video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it on our new size, which is more of a long rectangle. I'm gonna use our better than cotton head wrap. I love the sturdiness of our better than cotton head wraps. It's nice and structural. So again, I'm just going to find the middle of the head wrap and put it over the head. Grab the two sides, making sure that the ends are even. You're going to tie it into a knot. And then you're just going to take your two sides and literally tie them into a bow, just like it was a shoelace. Just play around with it. Fan the bow sides out, tucking the ends inside of the bow. That is dramatic. You can make the bow as big or as small as you want. And you can even, you know, bend it down if you don't want it sticking out. So dang cute. The thing that I really love about our better than cotton head wraps are that they just hold their structure so beautifully. So one difference that you're gonna have to do with these stretch satin head wraps is you're gonna wanna make your bun a little bit smaller since it is a little bit more floppy. And then once you create your bun shape, you're just gonna tuck the ends of the head wrap into each bow. And that's gonna help fill it and give it a little bit more structure. And they're really cute. They look like little Minnie Mouse ears. Okay, so here's what it looks like with the stretch satin logo head wrap and the stretch satin sunset head wrap. I just want to remind you, I've been covering my whole head because, you know, my hair is in twists right now. But if you want to do these same looks in like a headband, all you have to do is fold the wrap like this and then bring it like that. And then just do the exact same tie. So right now we're going to do a turban. Then we're going to start out the exact same way, finding the middle of the head wrap where the tag is, putting that over your head like so. We're going to fold the inside down on the turban because we want to show a little bit of our hair. So after you folded that in, you're going to simply crisscross the legs, making sure that the front looks nice and smooth. Then you're going to do one more crisscross, and you can bring it down this way, or you can choose to bring it this way. I think I'm going to bring it this way and then just kind of tuck things in where they need to be tucked. Then I'm going to crisscross the back, bring it up, and then tuck it in. Very simple. The key here is just to make your crisscrosses look super smooth. I got a little bump right here. What's up with that? Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. ¿Qué pasó? Okay, there we go. And I like my head wraps to go over my ears. I know everyone's different, but I don't like how they look with my ears sticking out. I just think it looks weird. And there is your turban head wrap. I just love this crisscross turban look. I just think it's so chic. So here's how it looks in the stretch satin logo print and how it looks in the Better Than Cotton blue wave head wrap. So the next one I'm going to show you is just like a very simple wrap style. This is a great one to use if you're deep conditioning. I'm going to use the stretch satin logo for this look because this is the one that I would reach for if I was deep conditioning on the go, just because it's black. It's not going to get ruined by anything that I put on my head. I'm going to find the logo and I'm going to place it on my head the same way as the other, grabbing the two legs. I'm going to take the legs and crisscross them. When I do this, I like to show a little bit of hair, but you don't have to. That's my preference. And if it's too long, you can just fold it here, grab the other side, make sure it's nice and taut so it's not going anywhere, and then wrap the other side, and then tuck that underneath the other side. And that's just like a simple wrap, just very basic that you can use for anything, any situation. And you can of course use this as a headband as well. So here's how that looks in the stretch satin logo head wrap. And here's how it looks in the stretch satin sunset head wrap. And then lastly, the Better Than Cotton blue wave head wrap. All right guys, lastly, I'm gonna show you a quick pineapple look, and I have been dying to take these twists out because I've been trying to film this video all week, but I've been busy, so I am so excited. All right guys, I had to get rid of the backlighting because it's like we're running out of daylight and it was distracting, but girl, look, I took out my twist. Super soft. Yes, I'm gonna show you a quick pineapple look. This is going to be like a headband look, but again, you can use this full coverage like a turban, but I just want to show you like an option with your hair out. So I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail. We're going to do a nice perky puff using my perky puff for longer hair technique, which I will link in the description box. For this one, we're gonna fold our head wrap into like a headband. So you're gonna take it and just fold it to make it thinner. So I'm gonna fold it twice. So now we've got our head wrap thinner. We're gonna do the same thing, placing it on our head. And now we're going to simply tie it into a knot. You could be done. You could like go like this and tuck it. There's so many different ways to tie your head wraps, guys. So here's one other way. There you go. Just tucking it in with one little loop. Just super simple. I wanna dance with somebody. Woo! I wanna feel the heat with somebody. I feel like Whitney Houston, I don't even know why. So that's that look. Let's go back to the beginning. You're gonna put the middle behind your head, making sure the legs are even. And all you're gonna do here is tie it. Pull back. You're gonna tie it again. And we're gonna make a nice little pattern just by tying it. Look how pretty this pattern is that you're gonna make by tying it. Looks like a braid. How gorgeous, right? So you're going to keep tying it until you only have a little bit of legs left and then give it a tuck. So here's how that braided pineapple updo looks in the stretch satin logo head wrap. And lastly, the Better Than Cotton blue wave head wrap. All right, guys, so that's the end of today's tutorial. Obviously, there's a ton more ways that you can tie head wraps. I just wanted to show you a few ways to tie our new Better Than Cotton and Stretch Satin head wraps. I just love our new head wraps. Not only are they super functional, especially the satin head wraps, you just get the best of both worlds. Something that's gonna protect your hair, you can wear it at night, super satiny, and you don't have to worry about it pulling on your hair. But it's also super long, like a traditional African head wrap where you can tie these really intricate details into them. I love our patterns. I think they're super beautiful, and just I haven't seen them anywhere, so just saying. I hope that this video was helpful. If you did pick up any of our head wraps in the pre-order, if you haven't, they are still on sale on our website. You can grab one at www.melaninhaircare.com. Everything is going to be linked in the description box, as well as all my other head wrap tutorial videos that show other different ways to tie head wraps. I love head wraps, so I've made plenty of videos. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, just watching these videos, and also for Melanin Haircare, your support there just means so much to us. I will see you in the next one.